Hi guys, welcome to Niri. What you're looking at is Niri. All the Wayland application have already been developed. If you update your system, you get in the ArchLinux Tweak Tool. When you launch it with Ctrl+E or type ATT or look for the menu and launch it from there, you'll see that there is something changed, but you may not have noticed it. This is the new guy, and Hyprland Aquamarine has been officially released. The other guys not so officially, in the sense that it is a work in progress, and it's so it says down here, consider work in progress, but it's already out there. So play with it the coming July and August month. You know from the video, it's going to be a downtime, right? Recess, holiday time in Belgium. And the 1st of September we'll make a new ISO to release. But in the meantime, play around with Wayland and Niri, and two visions basically. What we're on now is my vision, how Niri should actually look for me, right? A super enter, and then you can go up here and say, okay, well, let's have another one of those rows and put here Firefox in here, and maybe Brave, Ctrl+F, Ctrl+B, right? You know your key bindings when you go to tiling window managers, and they're all there with A, Control, super, S, right? Learn them by heart. By September, I'll do an examination for your diploma on tiling window managers. Just joking, right? But no stress. But there you go, you have everything available. Niri is working just fine. A super shift enter. You have your tuner that's ready. Ctrl+H, hidden files, Ctrl+H, right? Remember, your config is of course somewhere hidden away in the .config. You have here Hyper, so everything is installed on this machine. Yes, a year ago they could not coexist. Today they can coexist, right? TWL, Hyprland is there, there's Mango there, there is LabWC there, our own Cairo Mango is there, right? Not the, well, right? Our setup, and Niri there, River, Sway, Wayfire. All the Wayland things, and XD, all the X11 things, they coexist together. How do we install these things? Well, it's simple. Sudo pacman -s, Cairo, tap. Those are all the things you can install, right? And it's always the same starter, in the sense that the N from Niri is this one. But we created something else. ohmychadwm, ohmychadwm, another one, right? So this is what you're looking at. I'll make a second video for the other one, the kiro-ohmyniri, which has Noctalia, I think it's called, right? It's a sort of framework from somebody else, and then you get this all-in kind of desktop feeling that you can design in so many aspects. But that's next video. This is our take on Niri, basically the same look and feel as the Hyprland one. And on you go, right? DWL, just keep typing and you can install them. There is something called Cairo Waylands, a group package. Sometimes you need to remove it again to get installations, because hey, it is well, a fixed kind of application to say, get me everything in one go, right? Give me just all the Waylands, and you get all the lists that we have basically here, right? So we get Niri, you get ohmyniri, not Niri, ohmyniri, you get Mango, River, Wayfire, LabWC, DWL, and Hyprland all in one go for testing purposes. For me, it's interesting to have a group name. Otherwise, you just choose the package. Did I tell you everything? Repeating is maybe key, right? To at the end of the video. Don't expect too much response from my side. I really am gonna enjoy my holiday, so that means downtime and away from the computer. That's already for me a great achievement if I can do that. And then of course like I said, enjoy life a little bit, and we'll be back recharged. And September we'll have a new ISO, new kernels will have come out and all that, and help each other out. GitHub discussions, right? Since I'm not there to help each other, and that's the Linux kind of approach. And the next video I'll show you the other Niri. I can only show already what you need to do here. I can't keep recording, of course, but sudo -s kiro-ohmyniri is the other package. This is ohmychadwm, right? And it will say, hey, it's conflicting. So you need to choose. It's either this one or that one. What I tend to forget, and probably you as well, is type afterwards skel. Remember skel? Ctrl+T skel. All our tiling window managers, be it X11, be it Wayland, doesn't matter. All the tiling window managers have configurations in etc skel. And if you don't get it, you won't be able to log into the other Niri, right? The Noctalia one. And you say, it's a black screen, Erik, you stupid guy, right? No, you need to get the skel from etc skel, right? The new configuration needs to come in your home directory. That's why you need to change it later on. You're not going to change things in etc. You're not going to change things in user share. You're going to change things in your home directory. So it needs to get there. Okay? So remember that, and you'll be okay. All right. Back to number one. So this is the things we've done now, right? I've put everything in one row, I see. And have fun with experimenting with Niri. Cheers.